question number 3 we have to do, and we take its part B, 3B. So what is the series? Series is okay. This is minus 108 minus 101 minus 94 and dash 60. Okay, this term is given. Okay, so first of all, we have to find out the common difference D, that is equals to second term minus 101, okay, and minus the first term. Okay, so this is minus 101 and plus 100, minus plus 108. That is 108 minus 101, that is 7. So common difference we are getting 7. Common difference, that is 7. Okay, it's 7. And now first term u1 equals to minus 108. And one more thing, last term. Okay, last in this series, this is last term is 60, or you can say instead of saying last, if you want to say another term, that's also correct. So use the formula un equals to 60, and we have formula on the place of un. You can write u1 plus n minus 1 times d equals to 60. Now this is minus 108 plus n minus 1, and we have to find out common difference is 7. This is times 7 equals to 60. So 7 n minus 1 equals to 60, and we can shift this negative 108 right hand side. So this negative becomes positive. Okay. So n minus 1 equals to 168 over 7. So 7 divide 7 2 ja 14, 2 remainder 28. So 7 4 ja n minus 1 equals 24. So n equals to 24 plus 1, that is 5. Okay. So we had to find out number of terms. So number of terms, and n is what? Number of terms of this arithmetic series. So number of terms are 25. So in question number 6, the fifth term, okay, u5, fifth term is u5 is 0, and 15th term is 180. u15 equals to 180. Right? Find the common difference and first term. Common difference, we have to find out common difference, and second, we have to find out the first term. Okay. So we have a formula, we can apply this formula un equals to, we will apply formula un equals to u1 plus n minus 1 times d. Okay, so since u5 equals to 0, it means you will write u1 plus, on the place of n we have 5 minus 1 times d equals to 0. So we can write u1 plus 4d. u1 plus 4d equals to 0. This is a question 1. Okay. Now u15th, you can see u15th is given 180. So it means on the place of u15 we can write u1 plus n minus 1, right? Formula n minus 1. 15 minus 1 times d equals to 180. So u1 plus 14d equals to 180. Equation 2. Okay. Now we can solve equation 1 and 2. by elimination method. Okay. Solving equation 1 and 2. What is equation 1? Or suppose I write equation 2 first. U1 plus 14d equals to 180, and then I write this equation 1 U1 plus how much, 4d. Yes, 4d equals to 0. Okay, now subtract this and this. You can see this will be 0. This plus u1 and minus u1 cancel. So we have this, how much, 14 minus 4 is 10, and d equals to 180. So d equals to 180 over 10. So this is 18. So common difference is 18. Now you can substitute this value in any equation, 1 or 2. Suppose we substitute this value. Substitute d equals to 18 in equation 1. What is equation 1? u1 plus 4d. So u1 plus 4d. 4 times of d means 18 equals to 0, right? So u1 plus this is 72, right? So u1 equals to negative 70. So what is this u1? This is the first term. Okay, this is the first term, and d, d is the common difference, right? Substitute d equals to 18 in equation 2. What is equation 2? This one, u1 plus 14 d equals to 180. Okay, so what I will do, u1 we have to find out, and 14 times this is 18, this is 180. Okay, so we will have to see here what is the product of this one. Okay, 18 times 14. So u4, this is 72. This is okay. And check this total. Oh, sorry, this is 8. This is 8. Yes. So u1 equals to u1 plus 250 equals to 180. So u1 equals to 180 minus 252. So 52 minus 70. Okay. So whatever equation you are taking to find the value of u1, answer will remain same. Is it clear what I mean?
Yes, sir.
So Sn equals to, Sn is what? Sum of first n terms of an arithmetic sequence. So this is n over 2 square bracket 2 times of u1 plus n minus 1 times d, or you can write Sn equals to n over 2, and suppose you know the first term, and then you know the last term or nth term. Okay, this is also formula. If you know the first term and you know the last term and you know number of terms, so this way also we can find out sum of uh, first in terms of arithmetic sequence. Okay, so if we take we take question number 9.
Sir, what do you mean by sum of first n terms?
Okay, yeah. I will make it understand through an example. So question number 9. Question number 9, part B. Okay, part B. I'll show you. If you look at part B, this is 31. And then there is a 40. Then there's 49. Then there is a and 517. So understand this, like first n terms means, see, series may be infinite, number of terms in a series may be infinite, or sometime suppose there are 100 terms in a series, but we want to know what is the sum of like first term, first 10 terms, like first 20, like first 25. So it means first n terms means counting of the terms will start from the first term, then second term, then third term, then fourth term, and so on. So that's why we are using first n terms. If I'm saying that find the sum of 10 terms, so first term is already included there. See that u1 in the formula. Understanding? Or you can say, you can understand first term means it's like you write number in ascending order, so you count from the first. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So here you can see, here we can find out the sum by both the formula, first and second. Okay, but one thing we will have to find out, because we know the first term and last term, but we don't know number of terms. Some either this is dot points are here, so means some uh, digits are missing. Okay, so u1 equals to 31. Common difference equals to 40 minus 31. Okay, comma 31. This is 31, and this is equals to 9, and then and u last term un equals to 517. So un equals to 517. I can use the formula of un, that is the u1 plus n minus 1 times d equals to 517. So this is 31 plus n we have to find out, and common difference is 9. So times 9, 517. So 9n minus 1 equals to 517 minus 31. So let's look 517 and 31. 7 minus 1 is 8. 11, this is 4. 11 minus 3 is 8. 488. So n minus 1 will be equals to 488 over 9. Let's divide this by 9. So 9 5s are 45, right? And 9, this is how much? 3. But this, oh, sorry, this is 30. So, I'm sorry, 7 minus 1 is, sorry. Okay, so 36, 9. I had to do their subtraction. Okay, 7 minus 1 is 6. So this is and this becomes 54. Okay, so n equals to 54 and plus 1 here. This is the 55, and we are getting 55. Okay, so now we have to find out the sum. S55, sum of first 55 terms. Okay, 55 terms. S55, S55. Sn means here n means 55. So this is the 55 over 2. Look this formula. So whatever way, if you want to use this formula, use this one, or you want to use the second, you can do. Like I'm using the first. So this is 2 times of first term is 31 and 55 minus 1 and d is 9. Okay. So now you can, if you wish, you can take the help of calculator if you think so. So 55 over 2, this is 62, and this is 54 times 9. Okay. So then take the help of calculator and we get here 15070. Okay.